Okay guys, start outside today. A couple of herbs there. That's anise is one of those actually. Yeah, I'll get the names of those. Nigel's Ferrari beans having a good wash in the rain, as are some of the brassicas and the potted on orange balm. And there's the bigger orange balms at the back there. Broad beans, yeah. Bunyard's exhibition at the back are germinating okay, but the rest aren't. And some more brassicas having a bit of a wash. Leeks are ready to go in soon. Herbs are out as well. And those shallots have got to go in very soon. Okay, you can hear the rain hitting the roof probably. Downstairs in the shed in the Vitapod. Yeah, you probably can't tell, but there's quite a lot of tomatoes missing now. There's quite a lot of sold. Cucumbers, they're coming on well. Can we get down there? Yeah, and over there. And the long chilies, they're doing right. They'll be ready for pricking out very soon. I'm leaving the lid off this during the day now, just to get some of the moisture out. It gets a bit, it does get a bit humid, a bit too humid in there sometimes. And the temperature at the moment is 21 degrees. Right, it's a bit warmer in here. I put the light on the Spider Farmer SF1000 again. We've got some new guests, like the tomatoes are in there. I don't want them to go too leggy. Not keep turning me around though, because they do lean towards the light a little bit. You probably can't make that out. Yeah, see it's leaning that way a bit. Yeah, you see it more if I turn it around. Look. Yeah. Basket of fire. They'll be potted up soon. Okay, top row. Yeah, I'll be picking some of these chilies very soon. Jalapeno. Peas, they're all germinating now. Sweet peppers, ready to be potted on. I was going to do that today, but it's it's raining outside. I don't like working in here, to tell you the truth. Well, in fact, I did work in here, and I got to leave this lot outside. So, right, we got some tomatoes waiting to be picked up. These are some more of my tomatoes here. These tomatoes are waiting to be collected as well. Aubergines, they're all right. Corsican mint at the back, that's lovely. Look at that, that's all growing like that. They say prick it out when you can, but I ain't going to touch those. I sowed some more tomatoes. These are the more common ones, Gardener's Delight. They're my tomatoes as well. There's one more somewhere, a moneymaker now. Look at this, look at this. Moneymaker, not a single one has germinated. And they've been in for over a week now. Strange. Top row, orange balm. I'll tell you what, I'm getting a lot of cuttings, this orange balm. And a few more of my tomatoes there. Tim's Taste of Paradise. Sold 4 of those. Where do we get to? Oh yeah. More peas, more peas, more peas, more peas, more peas. Ginger, yeah, okay. More peas, and more peas. These brassicas can stay here. They were outside yesterday. God, I'll tell you what, I might put those out in a minute. That's the Cape gooseberries. And those spring onions got to go out as well, because they're going to get a bit leggy in there. That's about it in here. Oh no, a few more herbs. I've kept these herbs in here because these are the more tender ones, like the basils and the sweet potato. You doing all right? Not quite sure where to grow that yet. I'm thinking, is that a green fly? Look at them in heck. Oh, squash them. The easiest thing to do without is squash them. Yeah, sorry, I'm just having a quick look at them. I might grow that in a straw bale. Not sure yet, not sure. Okay then, upstairs in the Vitapod. Tomatoes, a lot less of these now, look. Gaps everywhere. Strangely, and yet again, same as last year, people are buying the common ones. Moneymaker, Gardener's Delight, that sort of thing. They don't want to know some of these strange ones. One more then, cucumbers up here as well. This little punnet here, 2 different types of gherkin and cornichon. Very poor germination with those. Strange. Yeah, well, that's it for today, guys. Catch you next week. Look after yourselves.